I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.
The first pranayama is Samana Kumbhaka. This comes from the Kumbhaka Padati. And the description is when this vayu is filled up into the navel and held with concentration on fire, it is Samana Kumbhaka. So the important understanding is the concentration on fire. The results are control of hunger, control of thirst, increased gastric fire, quick healing of wounds and fractures. So this is a healing energy that is being released when you just have this visualization of fire within the stomach. So again, the concentration on fire is Samana Kumbhaka. So all you're doing with this is you're going to just be seated down, comfortably inhale through your nose. And you don't need to breathe in as much as you can. You can if you'd like. With this Kumbhaka, there's no specific description on filling in fully or not. You can do this comfortably. However, when you're breathing in, holding the breath, and then focusing and visualizing heat, fire in the navel, okay? So you're visualizing heat and fire in your navel. So let's do that. We'll take 1 minute here, or not even a minute. We'll take a few seconds here. So just slight inhalation, holding the breath, and I want you to visualize a flame, visualize a fire pit in the navel center. And then once you see that fire, I want you to imagine and feel the heat of that fire as you're holding your breath. Good. And you can exhale slowly. Now, in the Pratama Vinyasa Krama, how you perform this pranayama is actually we're engaging all three bandhas. You're in Mahamudra Bandha, where you're locking the perineum floor and you're tucking your chin down and you're sucking the stomach in and up. And when you incorporate Samana Kumbhaka with these three mudras, it makes it even more powerful. And I'm telling you, if you do it properly with full integrity, you will start to perspirate. I always start to perspirate from these first few asanas itself, as long as you're doing it with full integrity, okay? Samana Kumbhaka, it's asanas 1 to 20, and then asanas 69 to 72. So the first 20 asanas are Samana Kumbhaka. You're maintaining this visualization of the fire, of the heat in the navel center.
Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.